Nice, Jack. Good swimming. And Mama's got her hat on. And Mama's got the camera. Yes, sweetheart. Swim over to Mama. Yes, sweetie. Good job. What's the concern look for? Good swimming, Jack. Use your hands. Remember, with your face goes under, you blow bubbles. We blow bubbles. Blow bubbles. That's right.
That's pretty cool. I did it.